We now assemble the second part of the filament guide system. To do this, we insert a piece of PTFE tube. We need approximate 20 centimeters. The filament is held under tension by 2 clamping rollers. We now prepare these. To do this, we press an 11 mm ball bearing into each of the rollers. Then insert the prepared rollers into the slot in the filament guide. Now insert 2 M5x35 screws into the hole or slot. Fasten them with 2 nuts and pull 2 rubber rings or sealing rings over the ends. Now we can plug the 2 parts of the filament guide together. We have already fitted the rider to the double helix, which is also already installed as part of the gearbox. We simply slide the completed filament guide onto the dovetail groove. Finally, we fix it in place using an M3X8 screw. The filament guide will later be adjusted with this screw. We have now completed this somewhat more complicated step.